So you have a proposal to put together, and you would like to have the first draft ready for internal circulation. Would it help if you could get a version that is 50 to 60% complete, is formatted, compliant to Injazat branding guidelines, and looks professional? All this within 5 to 7 minutes instead of the 2 to 3 days that it takes now. Presenting Injazat's unique proposal builder tool. Now create the first draft of a formatted and brand compliant proposal in just a few clicks, not a few days. Here's how. Go to the .brain folder on your desktop and double-click Injazat Proposal Builder Template.m shortcut. Microsoft Word will open with the document form. Fill in the fields with the appropriate values. Document title. Provide the title of your proposal here. It will appear on the cover page of the document and also in the header in all pages. Document subtitle. You have the option to provide a subtitle. It will appear in the header and in the document properties. Product line. Choose the Injazat product line from the drop-down and service. You may skip this now and add later. Client organization. Enter the client name. Injazat contact. Select the salesperson, account manager who will be interacting with the client. Client contact. Enter the client contact name if any. If you want to include these appendices, check the box. Compliance matrix, certificate of registration, trade license, health and safety policy. Once the form is complete, click on Submit. Now a proposal gets created for you with cover pages, statement of confidentiality, salesperson contact details, table of contents, and a dummy executive summary. If you had chosen a product line and service, the relevant approved write-up will also be added to the document, along with the annexures you had selected. Check the Injazat formatting ribbon for all styles that are available. The most frequently used styles have dedicated buttons. More styles can be accessed from the drop-down menu under Change Style. To apply a style, place the cursor on the paragraph and click on the required button on the ribbon. The default font is Gotham. All other fonts are disabled. The formatting controls of Microsoft Word are replicated in the Injazat formatting ribbon. The color palette is populated with Injazat brand colors. To use a color, click on Shape Fill, Shape Outline, or Text Color. Now click on the required color. Callout text can be used to emphasize a point. Choose from 2 options, side highlight, left margin, and body highlight within the text. To use a callout, place the cursor on the paragraph that needs emphasis. Click on the required style and choose from the color options provided. Don't like it? Just click on body text on the extreme left of the ribbon to revert to normal text format. The default orientation is portrait, with the option of inserting a landscape section in it. In a landscape orientation, again, a portrait section can be inserted. Go to the position in your current document where you would like to add the new page with a different orientation. Click on Alternate Orientation and choose the orientation that you want for the new page, landscape or portrait. A new page will be added to the document at the specified location. To insert graphics or images, go to the position where you would like to add the graphic or image. Click on Graphic. It opens the Insert Graphic dialog box. There are 3 ways to insert a graphic. Use an existing graphic from a file. Click on Browse and choose a file under Graphic File Name. Use an existing graphic that you have on your clipboard. Check the box next to Use Clipboard. There is no graphic at the moment, but you would like to create a placeholder for it. Check the box next to Placeholder Graphic. You may add the graphic later. You will also be asked to enter a graphic caption and add an action caption. Though optional, we strongly recommend that you add an informative caption and a descriptive action caption that summarize the takeaway from that image graphic. How do you want the graphic to be displayed? Choose from full column, full width of the column, half width of the column, wide, full width of the page. Click OK. Voila! The graphic has been added to your document. To add a shape, click on Shapes. This replicates the Shapes function in Microsoft Word, and you may use it accordingly. To use a color, click on Shape Fill, Shape Outline, or Text Color. Now click on the required color. To add a table, place the cursor where you want it to be inserted. Click on the Insert Table and choose the required layout from the 3 available styles: headings on top, headings on left, or headings on top and left. You'll be prompted to specify the number of rows, columns, and a caption. Provide your inputs and click OK. A blank table gets added to your document. To change the layout again, select the table and click on Table Styles and choose a different layout option. You can also use the options to reformat the table heading, table text, or make the table text bold by selecting the appropriate text and clicking on the corresponding button on the ribbon. If you want to add the client name or proposal title anywhere in your proposal document, always use the corresponding buttons in the Injazat content ribbon to ensure consistency. And if you want to change or correct the client name or proposal title in the future, click on Update Document on the Injazat content ribbon. This will automatically update the client name, proposal title, all through the document. You can also click on Update Document to change other information like document subtitle, Injazat contact, and client contact. In case you did not add the ready-to-use approved write-up for the product line at the time of creating the document, or want to add more predefined write-ups to your proposal, you can do so by clicking on Service Write-Up button. Select Product Line and Service from the drop-down menu. Once added, you can edit it as per your requirement. You can make your proposal impactful by adding a glossary of terms and/or a list of abbreviations as appendices. To insert relevant terms or abbreviations to your proposal, go to Appendices towards the end of the proposal document. Delete any existing glossary or list of abbreviations. Place the cursor where you want to insert the new glossary or list. Click on Glossary of Terms or List of Abbreviations as needed. To delete the current section, click on Delete Section. But use it with caution. Make sure to select the right section before deleting. It's handy when you want to remove a landscape page that is no longer needed before your entire document ends up as a landscape. If you've executed a function and want to change it, click on Undo Macro. This eliminates the need to press the undo button many times to get back to the pre-function stage. Now you have the first draft of your proposal ready, which is fully formatted and consistent with brand Injazat. As quick and easy as that, Injazat has invested in this tool so that you can create proposals that are compliant, consistent, and aligned with brand Injazat quickly and efficiently. Happy submitting!